Hi, this is Frank. He's French-Canadian. He's been off-roading for the last 15 to 20 years. He builds his own stuff all the time. He's trying to build a lightweight EV Rockcrawler with 40-inch tires, a Nissan Leaf motor and batteries. So let's see what he's been up to recently.
Hi, I'm Frank. Today, big milestone. I just finished to hook up the park brake, like we could say, but it's only the park pin that goes into the transmission. So I just wired it like a friend of the forum told me so. Works A1. And now, for the first time, I can press on the brake, put it in gear, press on the gas, and it turns freely forward and backwards and reverse. So I'm ecstatic. Yeah, it works. Everything works. So now I'm gonna do a bit of packaging, put some loom around the wire temporarily. Nothing is final. And after that, I'm gonna open the battery. So see you later. Okay, I just put some loom on all my wiring, unplug everything from the battery, put it on the side, take this a little bit on this side. I just removed the cover. It was held on by a kind of silicone and some gooey stuff. I just cut it with a cutter and pried the box open. Now I have 5 big modules that's all together. I'm gonna try to put all these modules to manage my weight around the buggy. Those one are gonna go beyond, under the seat. This one maybe in the middle in front or in the middle in the back, because it's a big one. I have to put everything somewhere that can fit and it's not gonna be damaged. I don't want to get a dent on them and kill some cells. Now I have to unhook everything, remove all the parts, and put it aside to remove the big box that I don't need, that weight maybe 50 pounds for nothing. At least for me, it's not useful. So I'm considering disassemble this, and see you later. Hi, I'm Frank. Today I just figure out all my spacing of my stuff, the batteries, the bench, the motor, the other batteries. Everything is almost at the right place. The big battery pack, the long one, I'm not breaking anything. I'm just keeping it as it is. I'm going to put it just right here beside the bench. It's going to be at almost that height. It's going to be perfect for an armrest. So it's going to be nice. The drive shaft is going to go right under it. The sides, everything is going great. Even the wiring, I don't have to cut any wire. Everything's going to fit right on the right place. Only wiring that I'm going to have to do is some big wire for the motor, because the motor is right there with the transmission, and the inverter and the BMS going to be right here. So I'm going to have a wire to go to there and a wire to go to the battery pack. I'm going to make the battery pack in 3 different packs, all sealed up, all closed, all solid. And by keeping the battery pack over the frame, it gives me a lot of space to be sure that nothing gonna puncture by the underside. I'm gonna have a skid plate under, plus the box, plus the space between the skid plate and the box. It's gonna be about 1 3/4. And also, about scale, just to weight everything. Those battery pack, the little one, weight 130 pounds each. The big one is 248 pounds. The motor with the transmission, it's 175 pounds. So if you're looking at another engine from another car, maybe a little 4x4 or maybe like this, it's around the same weight as a 4-liter from a Jeep. So it's not a good difference. So I'm really happy. I think I'm going to be able to get under 3,000 pounds for the whole buggy, maybe way under, maybe 2,500 pounds. That's what I'm aiming the most. So thank you to be here. Hi, today I'm building the battery box. I'm building it with 1/8 1x1 angles. I'm going to build it really tight to the battery so the battery doesn't move inside. I'm going to have some sheeting over it. I think it's a 18 gauge sheeting, so it's going to be really stiff and it's not going to distort. On this side, there's going to be an exit so the wire can come out. And I'm using the BMS original wiring and plug. I'm not cutting anything. It's saving me a lot of work because there's about maybe 60 wires that I would have to cut and put back together with longer wire and everything. So by not touching it, it saves me really a lot of work. So it took me a lot of time. It's the second day I'm on this toolbox for the small one. And I'm gonna work on it maybe all day. And the other box, the big one for the big batteries, I'm gonna do it another way. I'll put another video with this. So see you later.